This kid is every mother's dream. When he was shopping, the store owner asked him this.
If one of you gets this question right, all you will have 5 seconds to grab whatever you want.
Seriously?
Yes. How many inches are in a foot?
12.
Correct! Grab whatever you want, guys. Go. 5. Grab. Oh, 4. Come on, grab. 3.
I don't know what to grab.
Yo,
2. Grab more.
Grab a snack. Grab a snack.
Grab more snacks.
Yo, grab a snack.
Come on. And 1.
Dang it.
Why did you grab the rice and the beans?
Because me and my family love rice and beans, and we just want us to have a good dinner tonight.
You want to have a good dinner tonight?
Yeah.
Give me $60, bro. Make sure you give this to your mom, all right? You promise you're going to give it to your mom?
Yes.
You sure?